It was a typical night at the movie theater in Singapore, until suddenly, a man in the audience suffered a heart attack. Panic set in as the audience watched the man struggle for his life. Doctors and assistants rushed to the scene, desperately trying to save him. And then, a miracle happened. The two medical professionals quickly sprang into action, slapping the man's inner elbow. Within just 2 minutes, the man had recovered. This amazing technique is captured in this video and serves as a critical lesson in emergency situations. Heart attacks can strike suddenly and leave people feeling helpless. Many people die on their way to the hospital, but you can help save a life. By slapping the inner elbow of the left hand, you can stimulate the 3 acupressure points around the heart and lungs. This helps to accelerate blood circulation, make a person feel warm, and stop sweating. This simple technique can increase body temperature, prevent the accumulation of blood clots, and facilitate blood circulation. It's important to remember to take the person to the hospital immediately after applying this method. But it's not just for emergencies. By touching the inside of the left elbow every day, you can prevent heart disease and reduce the incidence of heart attacks. Small efforts can make a big difference. Share this vital information with all your friends and family. Remember, small actions can save lives.
问一下他好吗？先不要拍好吗？